Hi students, so in this video we are going to see book back of 7th English term 2. So this is your part 1 video. So this is a book work. So step 2 success. This is from unit 1 prose. So step 2 success. Look at the number pattern. Fill in the blank in the middle of the series or end of the series. So here is some sequence. You have to find out the sequence and series and you have to answer these questions. So see first. So it is based on alphabets. So please write the alphabets. So I have written here. See. So please write the alphabets and then find out the answer. So what is the sequence given here? S, C, D. So they have started from S. And here the next letter is started from C and C, D. So we have to check out. So S, C, D is the sequence. Next T, E, F is a sequence. Next U, G, H is a sequence. Next they have given you the dash. And then after that W, K, L is a sequence. So in between what is the answer? What is left out? V, I, J is left out. So option C is correct. See the option as answers are here. So you can see the next sequence. F, so we have started from F, A and G. So first they have started from here and then they went to starting and then next to F, G. The next again they have started from G, A and F. So they have repeated. Okay, wow. So first A, G, F, A, G and they have repeated as G, A, F. So like this. Next H, A, I and I, A, H. This is the sequence. And again what we have to do? So J, A, K. So this is the sequence. So the option A is correct. Third one. E, L, F, A. So E, L, F, A. So likewise. Next G, L, H, A. G, L, H, A. So next I, L, J, A. So next there is a dash and M, L, N, A. So what is left out? K, L, again L, A. So option D is right answer. Next C, M, M. C, M, M. Next they have left D and they have went to E. And here also they have left N and went to O. So E, O, O. Next here you have to leave out F and they have went to G and here also Q, Q. Next there is a dash and we can see this Q, U, U. So what is remaining out? They have left out the H and you have to select I and here what they have left out or and yes. So answer is ISS. So next sequences. So they have started from Q, P, O. So the reverse technique. Next M, N, M, L. Next K, J, I. So they have given the dash here. The next form is C, sorry, E, D, C. So what is left out? H, G, F is left out. So this is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. So next, this is your unit 1 supplementary. Identify the characters and speaker. So I must find out why he is in such hurry. So this is uttered by Alice. I go to my cottage and fetch my gloves and fan. So that is uttered by White Rabbit. Oh no, I will never get back to the right side. So, this is again uttered by Alice. One side makes you big, the other side makes you small. So, it is uttered by Green Caterpillar. I will, Green Caterpillar. I will see you later at the Queen's Court game, uttered by Cheshire Cheshire Cat. You may stay if you answer my riddle. So, uttered by Mad Hatter. Wake up, you have been sleeping for so too long. So, it is uttered by Alice's sister. So, next, this is in your Unit 2 prose. So, which of the two sentences given below convey the following meaning? So, sustained by. So, this is the meaning sustained by, and they have given the meaning mark made on the clothes or material. So, what is the situation that is in your prose means the whitewashed walls are stained by many monsoon. So the walls were made dirty by rains. The monsoon never drained from the walls. So the correct option is option A. The walls were made dirty by rains. Working for a pittance. So the meaning is working for very little money. Pittance na they are working for a little money. So what is the situation means I am tired of working for pittance. So the option is he did not wanted to work because he is tired. He did not wanted to work as he gets low income from his work. So the correct option is B. So he is Gopal will be uttering this word. So he will be saying that I can't get low income. Ashen, pale. His face was ashen. He looked up pale and dull. He looked up bright and cheerful. So the correct option is option A. He looked dull and pale. Drenched, throughoutly wet. He is drenched to the skin. His skin is he is thin and skinny. He is throughoutly wet. So drenched அப்படின்னா முழுவதுமாக நினைகிறது தான் அர்த்தம். பட் ஹியர் த மீனிங் இஸ் ஹீ இஸ் ட்ரென்ச் டு த ஸ்கின் அப்படின்னா ஹீ இஸ் தின் அண்ட் ஸ்கின்னி. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு யூ ஹாவ் in section 2 same unit 2 prose. So read the sentence and number the following correct order. So I have given you the answers here. So the first is he wished to have Gopal at him. Salim felt that he should come from within. He thought he would not be able to finish it. The old man worked tirelessly on the sculpture. He realized that Gopal must learn to carve to the finer details. He had a strong wish to finish it in time. Over days he felt very weak. So this is the answer for this correct order. Next, this is in your section 3, same your unit 2 prose section 3. So you have to read the first para and second para and answer the following questions. So in first paragraph, what are the questions I have given you means who listened to the chipping sound of the chisel. So the old man will be listening. Who was working with the hammer and chisel. So Salim was be working on it. Who was starring. The old man was starring. Who was the younger stone carver. Salim was a younger stone carver. What was he working on. A statue of God Krishna playing flute. So thank you students for watching this. So your homework is, so you have to copy all the book work I have taught in this video. So this is your homework. Thank you for watching.